Merry Christmas! April 4th, 2021. Guess what we got happening out here? Had bare grass this morning, this afternoon. It's in the last 2 hours. Take a good look. You never know what kind of weather you're going to get here in Alberta, Canada. Got about an inch accumulation already. Still snowing. Mountains are completely covered. Can't even see the tops of them. The whole valley just sucked right in. Just another day in Alberta. Thought I'd just shoot this quick video. One mountain man out. One mountain man here, just an update on this earlier video. Good thing that I'm on a flat plain here. If it gets too much snow, it could get up to a foot here tonight yet. If I was any place else, I'd have a little hard time getting out. But let's hope it doesn't. It's supposed to be tomorrow. It's supposed to go to 16 degrees plus Celsius. If that's true, then all this stuff will melt off within a couple hours. Mountain man out.